Hello, Dr. Brogren. This is Stephanie talking about daily routines as part of Chapter 19, being consistent. So, one of my goals recently has been to bring more calm and balance to my day. So, one thing I started doing about 3 or 4 weeks ago was meditating on my walk to school. So we're in the midst of this big construction project, and I now have about a 10-minute walk from an off campus parking lot to school. And I started taking the opportunity to put on a meditation and listen to that meditation during my walk. And a lot of times during that meditation or during that walk, I focus on breathing in calm, breathing out things like serenity. I've been thinking a lot about stoicism since that video a few weeks ago, and being not having such big reactions to things and having time to create space for a response. I think that the meditations have really helped set up my morning and set up my day, especially if I'm coming into work and teaching the first 2 or 3 periods in a row. Where I think I could be better is incorporating some more of those moments into my daily routine. So if I'm meeting challenges or stresses throughout the day, setting myself up to either take a breath or step away from what I'm doing and think about what's going on, as opposed to maybe just reacting or blaming or focusing on the problem. I really appreciated the reading, and that like the 3 main points of growing from setback, learning self-control, and controlling mood. Those are 3 things that really resonated with me. I think I can tend to be really hard on myself if I'm making progress in like being more calm or being more relaxed at work, and then something gets to me and I kind of get fired up. I think I get like upset with myself, but I know that I need to be patient and learn from those times and see them as opportunities for growth, and not be so hard on myself. I think self-control can be really hard for me sometimes. I'm a very passionate person. I like to jump in, and I'm like a doer at work, and I really like to get into a project and take action. But I think sometimes where that goes wrong is if I'm already really busy doing something and an opportunity comes where I need to take action, I might be upset because I'm already so busy and I can't like get to that task. And I might get really like fired up or really upset or think somebody else should be doing the task. And so what I realize is that I need to kind of focus on self-control. I need to stop, relax, prioritize. So one other thing I've been trying to do is using the like reminders app on my computer to really like put tasks down that I need to do and prioritize. I find that in doing that, I stay really organized when I'm really busy, and I don't see every single thing as like emergent, like it has to get done right now. I'm learning to be okay with leaving things on my to-do list and doing them in a time frame, and then communicating that timeline with certain people. So an example of that is in this construction project, we're having a challenging time with all the girls changing into their fitness uniforms in the bathrooms. And it's been an issue since January, and it's something that needs to be handled moving forward. We're going to be in this construction phase for 3 years, but it's something that's like not life or death right now. And so I put it on my to-do list, and I'm starting to like work on different solutions to figuring that out, but it's not something that like needs to be handled right away. And in doing that, I find that I'm more positive about the way I'm approaching finding solutions. I don't see it as negative, or I'm not frustrated with it. I'm almost having fun figuring out ways to find like ways to figure out where the girls can change instead of clogging up the bathrooms. And last, I really was focusing on controlling my mood, and I think that really has to do with me keeping a positive mindset. I really like the example in the text about the mood chart. I think that for me, some kind of journaling or mood tracking would be good for me, because I think it would allow me to see that all the times that my mood is good, or that I'm able to maybe come in with a bad mood and leave with a good mood. And I think that would help me like stay positive and appreciate like the work that I'm doing. So yeah, thanks. I really enjoyed reading this chapter.